Come on, let's go, bitch. There. The fuck? What's up, you guys? Welcome. Yes, welcome. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and if you're not new here, hit the little bell. Turn on your notifications. I've noticed views have been dropping, so I don't think people are getting notified. But yeah, today we are gonna go rock, paper, scissors, people, for hand sanitizer. I don't know how this is gonna go. So our local distillery, or whatever you want to call it, is making hand sanitizer. And basically I bought half a gallon of it. I could have bought 8 gallons if I wanted, but I have no use for that. So I bought some little individual bottles, and I am going to basically, I filled them up, and I got the big bottle too. I'll show you guys. It's kind of got like this bootleg looking label on it, and this shit smells like tequila. Like, it's like, I don't know, it's not normal. Like, it's hand sanitizer, but it's not like the gels, like stuff that you guys are probably thinking. So we're gonna cruise to Wally World, see if I can't catch someone in the parking lot, do a little rock, paper, scissors. Little Audi S5. Oh, the 450 can hang dead even with an Audi S5. I know that car's got 420 horsepower. Thank you very much. I like you, 450. That was awesome. Now let's see if I can't get arrested. I think he's a little, he might be a little butthurt. The dirt bike almost beat him. These 450s are quick, you guys. I know on the one shift I hit rev limiter, but I don't have a tack or nothing, so just playing it by ear, you know. I think I need to grease this bitch up. Front axle's kind of squeaky. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm working on the purple. I don't know, the circles are hard to cut, you guys, so they kind of look like shit, but yeah. Ta-da! I'm wrapping the bike in Stradman purple, so it's not done yet, but tell me what you guys think. You like the purple? The perp? We gotta find someone to rock, paper, scissors. I think it's like rock, paper, scissors, go. Right? Rock, paper, scissors, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, that's what it is. What's up, boys? What's up? Yo, you guys want to rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah. I win. Get the ride.
Nah, you get the ride? Yeah. Nah, I got hand sanitizer. You want some? Nah. You guys are good or what? All right, cool. Be safe. He said, hell yeah, get the ride? Fuck no, you don't get the ride. That guy's high as a kite, bro. All right, we're gonna go try somewhere else. We're gonna run this way and try this out. I don't even know if this is gonna work, you guys. If it doesn't work, like, I thought those people would be kind of cool, but honestly they were about to ride the bus, so they're probably a little cranky, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. That was an S5 V8. God. Golly darn it, this thing's quick. Got nothing. No potential customers. All right, let's move on to the next place. Yeah, it looks kind of ghetto. It's like half purple, half white. I don't know. I just wrapped it on there because I've done these before, and it sucks trying to hold them down when they're off the bike. So I don't know how much I'm gonna do. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep it. I'm just trying the different colors out. Tell me what you guys think. This semi broke down in the worst spot possible. This man's blocking the road. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. This is part 1, I guess. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. We're gonna get somebody to rock, paper, scissors me for hand sanitizer. Part 2 coming soon. I will see you all later. Peace.